Today I want to share with you just how easy it is to use voice typing with a Google Doc for your students who have trouble writing or typing out questions and reports. First thing we're going to do is sign into our Gmail account. Our students have Gmail accounts at our school where they get their assignments, emails, and things like that. So once this gets loaded, we're going to go up here to our Google Apps. We're going to choose a Google Doc. And we're going to go over here and choose a blank one. And once this all gets loaded up here, and our tools icon is available, okay, we're going to choose, oh, here we go. Just takes a little more time there. There we go. We're going to choose the voice typing, and you're going to see that a microphone has appeared on the side of the screen. When you're ready to speak, you're going to click on that microphone and it'll turn red, and that means it's available for you to speak into and to express what it is that you're trying to say. It's important that you speak clearly and at a normal volume and pace. You can tell this as you're speaking into the microphone or whatever. If you want a period, you just say period or question mark or like exclamation mark. You'll be prompted, little prompts will show up, and it's going to ask you, do you want to add a new line or a new paragraph? And you can do that. You can do that as well. You could do anything and everything on this doc as you would regularly, but I caution you that you have to make sure that when you are done speaking and you have a thought or something, you don't say it out loud. You might want to, you're going to want to shut it off so that it don't pick that up as well. You can stop by saying stop listening, and you can start again by saying resume. But I found that it is easier if you just click the microphone over here off and then click it to go back on, and because sometimes that it doesn't hear or recognize for whatever reason. I've had that happen and it doesn't shut off, or it didn't start back up when wanted to. I'm going to give you an example here with a sentence, a quick sentence, just to show you how easy this is. I want to show you how easy it is to use voice typing on Google Docs, period. And there you have it. It's just it said everything that I wanted it to say. Again, if you have a misspelled word, it's going to show you that. You can make those corrections as well. This is a great tool to use, again, as I stress, for those that can master typing or their writing is not legible. This is a wonderful way to get what they're trying to say across in a more less stressful way of doing things. I hope that you will use this application maybe for yourself or in your own classroom. Thank you for letting me share.